Video on demand is a very flexible option for viewing lectures. Once you are registered in the service, you can log in and view the lectures at any time from anywhere. Unlike other services which require you to view at a fixed time and/or place, VOD is fully at your convenience. To get the service, you must register in the On-Demand section that matches your course as well as in the course. Find out how to do so on our VOD registration page. From carleton.ca/CUOL, choose VOD Login, then select How to add VOD registration. There is a cost for the service that gets added to your student account at registration. The cost is indicated in Carleton Central. Once the course has started, you can go to the login page and sign in with your MyCarleton username and password. If it indicates that you do not see any courses when you log in, either you didn't register in the Video on Demand section yet, or you registered on the same day you tried to log in. Our system updates overnight, so try again the next morning. Once you are registered and log in, you will see all the lectures that have happened so far. More will be added as they take place. The lectures will stay available to you right up to the end of exams. You can stream the lectures or download them for your personal use later on. Downloading will be helpful if you have limited internet, such as while traveling or commuting, or also if your internet is a little slow. Stay on track with CUOL.